quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Here you have to see the variable. What is the variable are the x only. So x power 2 is that is we call as quadratic equation. So here there is no power, we consider it as 1. The maximum power if we get 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is what is given here, x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now what you have to find out is x value, what value x should be there, so that you get final answer as 0. So here also solving method they will give for 10th standard board examination. There are 3 methods are there. All the 3 methods I will tell you. If you look at the video and without skipping, if you watch the entire video, you will get the, it is very much useful for also to get the good marks. First method we call this as factorization method. Okay. So what is factorization? Again you will have doubt, sir, what is meant by factorization? I will just give one small example. If you take 16, if you, this number, if you express it in a product of simpler number, how do you write? 16 can be written it as 2 into 8, can I write yes or no? So 2 8s are 16, or 16 can also be written it as 4 into 4 also, isn't it? 4 4s are 16. So if you express that particular number in a product of simpler number, we call it as factorization. But here there is a not a number is a, it is a algebraic expression is a x square minus 4x minus 21. So these particular things we have to make it as product form. So how to do? There is a mathematician suggested the particular method. I will teach you how to do this. Now I will write once again the same equation whatever given, x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now what you have to do? First term. What is first term given? This is the first term. This is second term, this is third term. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Now what I have to do is first term and third term you multiply. First term into third term I have to multiply. That's why I put a multiplication symbol. If you multiply, what you will get answer? Minus 21 times of x square. Minus 21 times of x square. You will get minus 21 x square, isn't it? Then now this we have to split. How we have to split? You have to split this number in such a way that by adding the two things you have to get the middle term, second term you should get the answer. If you multiply that splitted term and then multiply it, then you have to get this value. So what number if I select so that I will get this? Okay, now I will write it that one is minus 7x and another one I have to select it as plus 3x. If you just check it, see if I add these both minus 7x plus 3x, what you will get answer? Minus 4x, yes or no? So that second time we got the answer. So if you split such a way that by adding this you have to get the middle second term, you should get answer. Suppose if you multiply this minus 7x into plus 3x, because here I given plus 3x, both if you multiply minus 21x square you will get this answer, you have got it here, isn't it? So if you multiply these two terms, whatever splitted, if you multiply that, you have to get this answer. By adding this, you will get the second term answer. This type you have to split. Okay, this it will get by experience only. Okay, then now I'll split the middle term minus 4x as like this. Now what this become? X square first term whatever the same you write. Second term I splitted this type minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. So whatever third term are the same you write. First term also as it is same, and second term only the splitter type whatever I have done that I entered here. So that value is not at all changing. Now we have to find the common terms between the first term and second term. What is the common term is there? Only x only is common. That x you take it outside. So one x I have taken, another x is remaining. Here this x I have taken outside, so minus 7 only inside will be there. Then whatever written bracket, same you write on the other side also. Now you see third term and fourth term. Here plus 3x is there, only x I have taken inside the bracket. So plus 3 whatever are there, that you write it this side. So that plus 3 into x plus 3x plus 3 into minus 7, you will get minus 20, isn't it? So that is equal to 0. Now x minus 7 both places common is there, that you take it outside, so that whatever this and this are there, write it in the another bracket. Okay, equal to 0. So now what we are getting, either when you the two product type, we got the answer here. So this is actually factorization. Now we have to solve from here 0. Okay, so here x minus 7, either this value should be 0 should be there, or other one should be 0 there, so that we get answer as 0. Suppose we consider x minus 7 is equal to 0. If you consider minus 7 goes to other side, you will get plus 7. X value we got the answer like this. Now if you take other term what is given? X plus 3 equal to 0. Now plus 3 goes to other side, become minus. So x value we are getting answer as minus 3. So answer we are getting x value as 7 and minus 3. Here what you have tried is the roots of the equation. The roots are quadratic equation. The roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic means power 2 is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equations are, what we got answer 7 or minus 3 should write. Why I am writing minus 3 is, we put x value as 7, then also we will get 0. If you put minus 3, then also you will get final answer as 0. Now for solving the same quadratic equation, I am going to tell about completing the square method. So this is also very much useful. So we have to make it square formation type and then solving that x value. How to do this? Let us see here. For this you have to remember two formulas. One is a plus b whole square. What is the formula you will write? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Another one is a minus b whole square. We write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Because minus sign is there, I have to select this type of square method I have to do. Okay. So how to do this, I will tell you. First x square as it is you write. Okay, then minus 4x is given. So it looks like a square type is there. Here x square given, here a square is there. Then minus is there, here also minus is there. That's why I am taken. If plus symbol is there, then you have to select this formula. Minus is there, I have to select this formula. Now in the place of a is here only a square type is there. So a value we got it as x. So x you write here, 2 is there, 2 also you write, and a plus x is there, you write x also, and b place we have to find out. Here what is given? Minus 4x. Here minus 2x is there. How I will get minus 4x? I have to put another 2, isn't it? Then only 2 2s are minus 4x I will get. Now it looks like a square, this place. Okay, then minus 2ab. Now a value x, b value is 2 we got. Next we have tried plus b square. So b place what number is there? 2. So 2 whole square it would. But what is the constant value given? Minus 21. Now what I have to do? This is 2 square is nothing but 4. So now what I have to do is, I should not change the value. X square same as it is there. 2 into 2 minus 4x, that also same term is there, but here the number changes. So how to keep it as same type? So this 2 square whatever given, that is subtract. Minus 2 square put, and whatever minus 21 is there, that also you write, that is equal to 0 you put. Now is there any value changes? Nothing, because x square same is there. 2 into 2 minus 4x same it is there. And minus 21 here I return. 2 square extra I added, whatever the extra I added, same thing I subtracted also. So that value does not changes. Okay. So here up to here is b square is there. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is terms are there. How can I write? I can write this as a minus b whole square, isn't it? So a plus x is there. So x you write. In the place of b 2 is there. Minus 2 you write. Whole square you write. So up to here I return. Then the other things you simplify. Minus 2 square is nothing but minus 4 and minus 21 equal to 0. Now this both are minus is there. that both minus number taken to other side, you can write it as x minus 2 whole square. 4 both are minus, so you add it up. So 25 will get minus 25 goes to other side, become plus 25. Okay, now this can be written it as 5 whole square I can write. Yes or no? Because 5 5s are 25. After writing this, now square and square value I will cancel it, both sides square. So that what I will get, x minus 2 equal to, see 25 I can get it either by plus or minus 5, isn't it? If I put plus 5 also, plus 5 into plus 5, 25 will get, minus 5 into minus 5 also I will get 25. So you will get this side, you will get plus as well as minus 5, isn't it? Now we will solve x value. Suppose if we consider plus value as, okay, x minus 2 as plus 5, then what will come, x answer? So minus 2 goes to other side, become plus. So x plus 2, 5 plus 2 will get answer as 7. And last method also we got same answer only. Now if you consider minus, what will happen? Let us see here. X minus 2 equal to minus 5 if you consider, and minus 2 goes to other side, become plus 2. Okay, then minus 5 plus 2, you will get the answer as minus 3. Now the roots of the equation, therefore the roots of the equation, the roots of quadratic equation are either you have to, x value you have to substitute like 7 or minus 3. You put any value also, then also you will get as answer as 0. So now I am going to say for the same quadratic equation only, x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0, solving by Sridharacharya formula method. Why it has come Sridharacharya? He has just given one formula, so that factorization and computing square, by instead of going that method, this method is very easier method, by only putting the formula and substituting the value. Okay, so what is that formula also we will see here. So before that, I want to say what is the general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is general form. So normally this a and b are coefficient of, a is coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is constant. Now compare this. Here there is no number is there, means you have to consider it as 1. So what is a value? You compare like that. X square coefficient is 1. So you write a answer, a is equal to 1. B place x coefficient, b is nothing but x coefficient. Now compare these both. So in the place of b, here minus 4 is there. Xx don't write. Xx same is there. In the place of b, minus 4 is there. So b equal to minus 4. In the place of c constant value, you compare these both equations. So c place you will get minus 21. Now what is the Sridharacharya formula method says? This formula method says, for solving that roots, finding the x value, roots of the equation, formula method, I will write it now. The formula, remember, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, already we got a value, b value, c value, everything we got it here by comparing general form and given equation also. Now accordingly substitute the value. B value minus 4 is there. Here already minus, also another minus also extra is there. So this minus you put here, and in the place of b another minus 4 is there. That also right. You have to be careful. Many students they make minus b means here already minus is there. Minus 4 only they will enter. See, b place minus 4 is there. Again another minus here, that also you have to put here. So don't do any mistakes. Then afterwards what is there? Plus or minus square root of b square. B square means here b plus minus 4. For that whole square you put. Then minus 4ac is there. Minus 4 you put. A plus 1 is there. and C place there is minus 21, that also you write, divided by 2a. 2a means a value again 1, right. While writing square root, you have to write this entire place. You should not stop here. The y means this entire are covered with the square root. Okay. Now simplify this value. What you will get? Minus into minus 4, that will become plus 4. Then write plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square, you will get 16. And here minus is up. So both become plus. 421s are 84 you will get. Plus 84. Divided by 2 ones are 2. Now this again simplify. 4 plus or minus 16 plus 84. How much you get? Square root of 100 divided by 2. Square root of 100 is nothing but 10. We already know. So you will get the answer as plus 4 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. Now if we consider it as plus, what will happen? Let us see x value. Suppose if you consider x value 4 plus 10 if you take divided by 2, then you will get 14 divided by 2, then answer you will get 7. Last method also we got same answer, here also same method only, answer only we are getting. Suppose if you take minus value, what will happen? Let us see here. 4 is a 4 minus 10 divided by 2. Okay, now 4 minus 10 you will get minus 6 divided by 2, you will get minus 3. Okay, so last method also we got same minus 3 only. So we got one answer as x value as 7 or minus 3. Two answer we are getting. See, always remember any quadratic equation x square given, two answer will be there. See, one answer is 7, another answer is minus 3. When the linear equations are there, we get x value only one solution only. Okay. So now you write finally, therefore the roots of quadratic equation, are 7 or minus 3. So I hope this is very much useful for you. Whatever three methods, so children learn all these methods. So you completely watch these videos also without any skipping, and then you try to share it also. So what my aim is, it has reached to many students because many of them are suffering about solving this quadratic equation also. So if you share this and like and put a comment, I will also give you another some more videos also. Thank you for watching.